Understanding similes, painting with words. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to dive deep into the beautiful world of similes. Similes are a powerful literary tool used by authors to make their descriptions more vivid and engaging. They allow us to paint pictures with words. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be spotting similes in literature and everyday language like a pro. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two different things, usually by using the words like or as. Similes are used to add color and depth to something by comparing it to something else that's more familiar or striking. For example, she is as fierce as a lion, or he runs like the wind. Let's look at some examples of similes from literature. In Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird, she writes, "People generally see what they look for, and hear what they listen for." Here, Lee uses a simile to help readers understand the idea of perception. In Robert Burns's poem, A Red, Red Rose, he says, "Oh, my Louvre is like a red, red rose." Burns uses a simile to compare his love to a red rose, suggesting that it's beautiful, precious, and perhaps delicate. Similes aren't just confined to literature. They're also commonly used in everyday language. You might say, busy as a bee, to describe someone who's very active or hardworking. Or you might describe a quiet person by saying they're quiet as a mouse. These similes use familiar concepts, bees being busy, mice being quiet, to help convey your meaning more vividly. Now, let's try creating some of our own similes. Remember, a simile compares two things using like or as. For example, if I want to describe a very tall person, I could say, "He's as tall as a giraffe." Or to describe a very bright room, I might say, "The room was bright like a sunny day." Give it a shot and see what vivid comparisons you can make. And there we have it. Now you understand what similes are and how they're used in both literature and everyday language. Remember, similes are about comparing two things to paint a more vivid picture. So next time you're reading a book or having a conversation, see if you can spot the similes. Thanks for joining me today, and keep practicing your English skills.